This is actually a nice carp. Nice channel cat. Took a super tiny fly. Hey, I'll take this really nice bluegill. 14 inches. Not bad. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, good fish, good fish, good fish. Nice bass, nice bass. Yo, there we go. Really good fish. And he inhaled that fly. Shit. But definitely have to get on the reel. Come on, buddy. Just a smaller carp. Yeah, another one. Oh yes. Okay. I love my bluegills on top water. You gotta be done eventually. Somewhere between 15 to 16 inches. Dude, are you not done yet? Come on, buddy. You can go. It's definitely a larger fish. Hello, it's time to fish the Los Angeles River again. Today I'm not targeting anything specific. I'd like to fish for anything that bites. Meaning first I'll try to see if the bass are biting, and then after that I really would like to fish for some panfish. I haven't fished for bluegill and green sunfish in a long time, and the weather turned from super cold to suddenly now super warm. I really hope it made the panfish active. And like I said, I haven't specifically fished for panfish in a long time, so I'm super excited to do this. Another thing that I really want to see is them taking my topwater flies. I haven't fished topwater flies in a long time, and those are the most exciting takes on camera, so I'm really excited to try this. Hopefully we get some fish on the top water. Anyway, let's not waste too much time on the introduction. Let's get suited up, let's get into the water, and I'll see you down there. This is something I don't see every day. There's a safe here, like cracked open. It looks like there's dirt in there too, so it must have been down here for a while. I don't know, it looks like it's been dragged from out of there. I don't know. But yeah, that's not something I see every day. A little bit further. There we go. Yes, got one. Oh, but it's not a carp, just a sunfish. But hey, I'll take that. No, it's a bluegill. Wow, it's actually a pretty nice bluegill. And he shook the fly already. So let me show this guy off. Kind of wanted a carp actually, but hey, I'll take this really nice bluegill. Not a bad one. Oops, quick release. Oh, I think somebody was sleeping there actually. Let me try this again. All the way over there. There we go. Yo! There we go. Carp. Smaller one, but definitely has to get on the reel. Oh no. And now one of my batteries goes out. Great. And yeah, even these smaller carp fight like crazy. Let me try to change the battery really quick. Oh, no, don't hang me up here. Okay, I'm gonna try to play this fish just a little bit up until I have the battery changed. Oh man. Come out there. Okay. Yes, change the battery. Here's the carp. Whew. Let's make sure we get him out. Man, this guy's still lively. Okay, buddy. It's a smaller one, but he has a lot of energy. Oh, shoot. So, hold on. Maybe I can land him over here. There we go. Nothing too large. Just a smaller carp. Like in the size maybe 12 inches, like a foot long. But he gives up. He gave like a nice little fight. Man, he's super lively. He's longer than a foot long. He's more like 14 inches actually. Still a super nice fish. I thought he was a foot long, but a 14 incher. Not bad. Not bad for the first carp. I'm not sure if I get another one, but let's try anyway. Yo! I think this is the first topwater fish this season. Man, it's a good little bluegill. Come on in. Yes! Here we go, let me show them off really quick. Nothing super large, but hey, I love my bluegills on topwater. Beautiful little fish. It's getting man hooked in the water, back in the water right away. Bye, buddy. All right, let's see if we can get another one on top water. Oh man, that was exciting. Yeah, another one. Oh yes. And it didn't take very long. Man. Yeah. Come on here. I'm not gonna bother netting those guys anymore. But here we go. Man, he inhaled that fly. Nothing super large, but still fun. Flies back out. Here we go. Let this guy go. Bye, buddy. Thanks for letting me catch you. Yo! I was gonna say let's do one more fly really quick, the wormy. And here we go. Oh yes, it's a nice little bass. Oh yes, he fights good. I have to be careful though, because I think this fly is actually barbless. So I could lose this fish really quickly. But let's get him out. It's a tiny bass. Yeah. Oh shit. Come here, buddy. Here. Oh man. Why am I having so much trouble with my net today? There we go. Whew. Nothing super large, but still happy about it. All right, so it's a true multi-species day. Let's see if we can get another one. Yo! Another one. Feels like a bass. It is a bass. Man, they're down deep. Where's my net now? All right. Here we go. Oh, and he already shook the fly. Here we go, another bass. This one I think is slightly larger. No, he's also 8.5. I hope it was not the same bass, but I don't think it is. Yo! Finally got him. I saw him come after it, but then didn't really take it. Here we go, just a super small bass. And he came back and got it. Super small bass. Let me see if there's a larger one in there. Yo! Here we go. Again, just a small one. Let me show him off. Super tiny. Should try it a little bit further out here into the slack water there. Yo! Here we go. Nice bite. Again, bass. Nothing super large, but at least a fish. Yo! Okay. I think I know where they are. They're all standing right in front of me here. Here we go. Oh, and he came right off. I don't have the bite for this one on camera because I wasn't quite sure if there's even anything in here. But hey, it's the next one in my search for multi-species, a sunfish. He is 5 inches. 5 inches and really beautiful. Look at these fins. My goodness. Bright orange. And set this guy free. Yo, there we go. Oh yes, good fish. Oh yes, very good fish. Nice bass, nice bass. Oh man, he took a super small fly. Ooh. Oh man, it's quite strong actually. Oh, good jumper too. Oh, okay, don't shake me, okay? Oh man, definitely better bass. Man, I've been fishing here with large flies and look what he took. A super tiny black fly. And that's not a bad bass for this hole. Here we go, an 11 incher. Took a super tiny fly. Wow. Oh, well, I put a link for this fly in the description for this video below. Anyway, nice little bass. Come on buddy, time to go. Yo! Here we go. Small sunfish. I'm not gonna net him. Just show him off really quick. It's a really pretty one. And release him right away. Yo, there we go. Man, small bass. Let me quickly show this guy. Micro bass. Yo. Oh yes, good fish, good fish, good fish. Shit. Really good fish. Please tell me I'm recording, yes. Oh yeah. Oh, this is something really large. There might be a good carp. Oh yes. Hey, where you going, buddy? Oh man, now I gotta be super careful. I just gotta let this guy go and do his thing. Yeah, oh yeah. And he's furious. I'm pretty sure that's a carp. Yeah, the last thing that I want is for this carp to come off. So I want to make sure that I tire it out good enough It's definitely a larger fish. Oh man. Haven't seen it yet. Could in theory also be a catfish, but I'm pretty sure it's carp. Okay, taking my time with this thing. Whatever it is. Yeah, looks like a carp. Not a super massive carp, but still a good sized carp, I think. Let's see. Yeah, actually, I think it's a smaller carp. But man, he pulled like crazy. So, dude, are you not done yet? Also, is this guy foul hooked or something? Man. All right, let me try to get him out. It's actually a small carp. I can see it. Maybe the reason why it feels so huge is because it's foul hooked. Okay. Man. Come on, buddy. All right. Come on, you gotta be done eventually. Oh no, he's not foul hooked. He ate it regularly. He's just a really good fighter. Come on. Still not done. Okay. Just taking my time with you then. Come on. Okay, into the net. There we go. It's actually a nicer one than the one that I caught earlier. It's like somewhere between 15 to 16 inches. Man, these carp, they always look so small, but like, this is actually a nice carp. Wow. It's a beautiful fish. It's well rested. Let me show him off again really quickly. Get in there. Yeah. Okay, keep the pressure on. Keep the pressure on. Try to at least land one. There we go. That's why I'm not able to get them, because they're super small. Look at this. These are the bluegill right now rising and eating the flies on the surface. Super small bluegill. Yeah. Another super tiny one. Let me show him off. Let me try to show him off again. Here we go. Yeah. Relax, relax. Super small bluegill. Here we go. All right, let's unhook him. Let him go. Yo! Oh, good fish, good fish. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Ooh, hey, where you going? Where you going? Stay here. I don't know what this is yet. Might be a larger bluegill, I don't know. Oh, or bass. No, it's catfish. Yes, yes, we completed the multi-species day. Here we go. I hope you can still see this on camera. A true multi-species day. With a channel cat right here. Also not a bad size. Let's quickly check. Oh, 11 inches. Not super large, but not super small. Tiny 11 inch. Ow, 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 buddy. 11 inch catfish. Let me unhook this guy. And off he goes. Here we go. Nice channel cat. Oh, this one is even better. Let's quickly check how large this guy is. This guy is over a foot for sure. Now just over 12 and a half, around there. Oh, nice. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I'll release you in just a second. What a nice fish. Nice channel cat. Perfect for the end of the day. Wow, that's awesome. All right, let me unhook this guy. Ooh. Nice, the flag came right back out. Let's release this guy. Come on, buddy, you can go. Bye-bye. All right, I just got home. I just wanted to give a really brief summary. I had a super awesome fishing day again today. I'm still smiling. I'm still super happy about this. It was truly a multi-species day. I got the 2 carp, I got the 2 catfish at the end, I got my bluegill that I wanted, I even got some topwater bluegill, which was fantastic. By the way, the topwater bite is still not quite on yet, like it can get so much better there. Yeah, I got some bass, got my sunfish. Awesome day. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and I hope to see you in the next one.